Okay. I look pretty rough because I've been at work all day. But I had to hop on here real quick and give my honest review on these pop-on veneers. I haven't stopped smiling since I've got them. I was quoted $12,000. So after that, I kept seeing these ads on Facebook for these pop-on veneers. And I was like, there's no way it's that good, and, you know, this and that. Well, after I got quoted the $12,000, I decided, why not? So I ordered them, and I got them at a low monthly payment, which is awesome, because that was the only way I could get them. And they come in the mail in this cute little box. And this cute little convenient carrying case. These cleaning tablets. And they send you these your 3D molds that you make. So when I ordered them, they come in like 2 days. The impression kit. So I ordered them, and then 2 days later, I got my impression kit in the mail. And you have to do exactly what it says. You have to buy all the way down, because I kept seeing comments saying that it was too hard to get approved for. Well, I got approved on the first try, but you have to do exactly what it says, or it's not going to work. So I sent them back in the next day, and within 8 days, my pop-on veneers come in the mail. So when they send you your 3D molds back, I was like, oh my gosh, what in the world? So I'll show you how they fit perfectly on your molds, just like they fit perfectly over your teeth. So this is what they look like after they're in. Let me show you how I put them in. Okay, so here are the molds that they sent back. And here's what my teeth look like before. Awful, right? Okay. So these clips fit perfectly on the molds. Clip right on. Bottom. You'll hear them snap. Okay, so those fit perfect. Now let's put them back in. You hear them snap. Well, I've never had pretty teeth, and I'm also a recovering addict, so of course that didn't help my teeth any at all either. But I've been in recovery now for 4.5 years, and I figured it was time for a change. But I have gained so much confidence back, it's crazy. I walk by the mirror and I can't stop smiling. They are awesome. They are comfortable, affordable. I love them. Nobody will ever see me without them again. So if you've been on the fence about it, do it. You won't regret it. I promise. Do it.